Dear students, good morning to one and all. Previous classes we discussed about the what is meaning of genetic code, who is discovered by genetic code, what are the useful in genetic code dictionary, what are the salient features of the genetic code. Today we are going to discuss about the mutations and genetic code. Dear students, the relationships between the genes and the DNA were clearly understood in mutational studies. First, what is meaning of mutation? So the sudden inheritable changes that occur in the organisms are called mutation. The sudden inheritable changes, that is external phenotypic characters and internal genotypic characters that occur in all living organisms, plants, animals and also human beings, that is called mutation. Okay, now the sudden inheritable changes including phenotypes characters and genotypes characters that occur in all organisms, including plant organisms, animal organisms and human being organisms, are called mutation. So in these mutations, first to be observed by Hugo Duris in Enothera lamarckiana plant, that is primrose, evening primrose or 4 o'clock plant, evening 4 o'clock plant. Already in this genetics chapter, detailed described about the mutations, how many types of mutations. Okay now, so in these mutations, first observed by Hugo Duris in Enothera lamarckiana or evening primrose or evening 4 o'clock plant. So what are the uses of mutations? The mutation may result in loss or gain of a gene and thereby a function. So the mutation may result in loss of the chromosome numbers or gain, adding of the gene or chromosome numbers and thereby a function. So these mutations are mainly two types. So one is single chain base pair of mutations. Second one is frame shift mutations. So that is point mutation and frame shift mutation. Point mutation and frame shift mutation. So first of all, point mutation are here. The change in the single base pair, in a gene or DNA or chromosome results in a change in the codon. Codon means 3 nucleotides. Each codon is made up of 3 nucleotides. For example, AUG, this is a one codon. UUU, this is another codon. AUC, this is a one codon. So change in a single base pair that results in the change of the codon. So and in a change of amino acid residue. So given the example are here, especially human beings of red blood cells containing hemoglobin. So in this hemoglobin are having to alpha polypeptide chain and beta polypeptide chain. So in this beta polypeptide chain of amino acid will be changed. So it is changed in glutamate to valine. Glutamate replaced by valine. So alpha polypeptide chain and beta polypeptide chain all are the similar kinds of amino acids. But the seventh amino acid will be changed, that is glutamate to valine. So that results in a disease is called sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Okay now. So the change in the single base pair in a gene or chromosome or DNA results in a change in the codon and in a change of amino acids residue, that is one type of point mutation. So given the, for example, a human being containing red blood cells. These red blood cells are having to hemoglobin pigment. So this hemoglobin pigment are containing alpha polypeptide chain and beta polypeptide chain. So the beta polypeptide chain of hemoglobin is changing glutamate to valine. So hence the result in a disease called sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is disease caused by point mutation or change in a single base pair. Next, coming to a change in a single nucleotide. A change in a single nucleotide in a codon. Generally, the first or starting codon AUG. If one nucleotide is changed, A is changed, replaced by T. So to be causing of some internal diseases. So alerts the amino acids in polypeptide chains. Alerts in amino acids that polypeptide chains. A change in a single nucleotide in a codon alerts the amino acids in polypeptide chains. So for example, insertion or deletion. Insertion by means gaining of chromosomes. Deletion, delete of chromosomes, loss of chromosomes. So insertion, take up the chromosomes or gain of the chromosomes or genes. Deletion, loss of genes or loss of DNA or loss of chromosome number. So of one or two bases changes the reading frame from that point onwards. Such type of mutations are called frame shift mutations or deletion mutations or insertion mutations. So insertions or deletions both are frame shift mutations. Mainly one or two nitrogen bases changes are here. So the reading frame from the point onwards. So this type of mutations are named as frame shift mutations or deletion mutations or insertion mutations This is about the mutations and genetic code. So the main important what is the meaning of mutation and sickle cell anemia disease is caused by single change of the single base pair of the gene. So mainly glutamate replaced by valine, especially shown in hemoglobin beta polypeptide chain. Okay now, next let us discuss about the tRNA or the adapter molecule. So dear students, in generally RNA are of three types. They are namely first one mRNA, second one tRNA, third one rRNA. So the first one mRNA, that is messenger RNA. Second one tRNA, that is transfer RNA. Third one here rRNA. Messenger RNA, tRNA, rRNA. RNA is generally are of three types. They are namely first one mRNA, that is messenger RNA. This messenger RNA mainly involved in the transcription process as well as translation process. Second one here tRNA. This is a tRNA, that is transfer RNA. So this transfer RNA to be involved only translation process. So third one here rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA. So this RNA are involved only translation process. Anyhow, three types of RNAs are involved in this protein synthesis. In this protein synthesis, so in this protein synthesis, so to be carry out two steps. First step transcription, second step translation. So, but here mainly involved in tRNA, mainly involved in tRNA in the protein synthesis process. Protein synthesis process. Now, tRNA are also known as smaller RNA, soluble RNA, adapter RNA, mRNA, messenger RNA is always provides the template DNAs. tRNA, transfer RNA. Okay, now this is a tRNA, that is transfer RNA. tRNA is also known as soluble RNA or sRNA or adapter molecule RNA or smaller in RNA. Smaller in RNA. This is a smallest RNA. The largest RNA are here rRNA, ribosomal RNA. So the medium size of the RNA are here mRNA. The medium size of the RNA, that is mRNA. The smallest RNA, that is tRNA. The largest RNA, that is ribosomal RNA. So in this tRNA to be appeared clover leaf-like model. Clover leaf-like model. The clover leaf-like model of tRNA to be discovered by Foley. So in this clover leaf-like model of tRNA, to be secondary structure are having to inverted L shape. So inverted L shape. This is one L shape, this is L shape, and this is L shape. Inverted L shape. Secondary structure of tRNA. Secondary structure of tRNA to be appeared inverted L shape. Okay, now in generally RNA are of three types. They are namely mRNA, tRNA, rRNA. mRNA, so messenger RNA. This is a medium size of RNA. So this RNA is always provides the template DNAs. Second one here tRNA is also known as transfer RNA, soluble RNA, sRNA, smaller RNA, and adapter molecule RNA. So this RNA is always binding of the amino acids and carrying the different regions of the cytoplasm. So different types of amino acids binding. So is binding of the different types of amino acids and carrying or bring the different cytoplasm in the protein synthesis process, that is function of tRNA. tRNA is always binding the amino acids and next bring the amino acids in different places of the cytoplasm and next involvement of the protein synthesis. That is the importance of tRNA. And rRNA, ribosomal RNA, it's also useful in structural and catalytic and translation process. Okay, now dear students, so tRNA or the adapter molecule would be appeared clover leaf-like model. In this model, first to be discovered by Foley, and the secondary structure of tRNA would be appeared inverted L shape. So this tRNA are having three loops. This tRNA are having three loops, and are having to one tail part. So dear students, so this tail part are having 5 frame and 3 frame. So 3 frame is always having to CCA codon. So in this codon of 3 frame to be attached by amino acids, binding of the amino acids. So that is amino acids binding site. The tRNA would be containing amino acids binding site, ribosomal recognition loop, anticodon loop, and enzymes recognition loop. First one, the tail part are having to 5 frame and 3 frame, but here CCA codon are attached to the 3 frame and at the same 20 amino acids are attached to the 3 frame end. So each time one tRNA to be bring the one amino acids in their cytoplasm. So hence, so in these amino acids is always binding to the tail part of 3 prime end. In this time, those amino acids to be utilizing the some amount of energy, that is ATP molecules, then after to be activated of amino acids. So 20 amino acids is always attached to the 3 prime end of the CCA codon. So this is a amino acids binding site. So the amino acids binding site opposite to the anticodon loop. So this anticodon loop containing one anticodon, that is UCA. By means uracil, cytosine and adenine. Why is it taken of uracil? Why? Because this is the RNA. So this RNA containing adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine. That is thymine is replaced by uracil. So in this anticodon of tRNA loop, by means this tRNA anticodon loop to be attached by the mRNA. So suddenly the mRNA codon will be changed. So by means uracil, so it is replaced by adenine. Cytosine is opposite guanine. Adenine is replaced by thymine. By means anticodon. Okay, now. So this is a anticodon loop. This is a anticodon, that is UCA. And another loop are here, that is ribosomal recognition loop. So in this tRNA is always identified ribosome. So ribosomes is also one of the instrument in their protein synthesis process. Ribosomes is also involved in their protein synthesis process. So in this tRNA loop are always observed ribosomes. This loop is always attached to the ribosome units, that is ribosomal recognition loop. And ribosomal recognition loop is opposite to the enzymes recognition loop. In this transcription process, only involved DNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme. In this translation process, to be involved enzymes, that is amino acylation tRNA enzyme. So amino acylation tRNA enzyme would be containing enzymes recognition loop. At the same time, to be containing ribosome enzymes, that is enzymes recognition loop. Anyhow, in this tRNA consists of 4 parts. They are namely amino acids binding site, anticodon loop, ribosomal recognition loop. Fourth one, enzymes recognition loop. Enzymes recognition loops. These are four parts in tRNA or the adapter molecule. The adapter molecule. So, in generally, RNA molecules is always to be appeared single stranded molecules. Single stranded molecules. DNA molecules is always to be appeared double stranded molecules, but RNA is always to be appeared single stranded molecules. This is about the tRNA or the adapter molecule. So this is about the mutations and genetic code as well as tRNA. Okay, now thank you.